From the Rutgers Weather Watcher studio, here's your Rutgers campus weather forecast.
Good evening, Rutgers. I'm Weather Watcher Aidan Deeck here today with your Tuesday, October 5th, 2021 evening forecast. Let's get right into it. For the almanac today, we had a high of 68 degrees and a low of 59, which is right around our average for the month of October of 71 degrees and a low of 48. As always, our record temperatures and sunset and sunrise times are at the bottom of the screen. For our headlines this week, you can expect cloudy conditions for the next week or so with a few chances of showers in between, as well as patchy fog in the morning and late evening. And again, you can expect cloudy and damp conditions for the Columbus Day weekend ahead. For our current temperatures across New Jersey, we have about mid-60s in upper North Jersey, 63 in Sussex, 64 in New Brunswick, and slightly higher degrees in the north or in the South Jersey, 66 in Millville and 68 in Wildwood. And as we look at for our low temperatures for the night, be dropping down to the mid-50s up here in North Jersey, at 56 in Sussex Airport, 57 in Somerville, but we'll say relatively in the low 60s down in South Jersey, 61 in Millville and 65 in Wildwood. Moving out to a greater Northeast area, still mid-50s across the board up in the greater Northeast, 57 in Ithaca and Oneonta, and 65 down Dover. Looking at the future cast, again, cloudy conditions for the next few days with slight chances of rain overnight, but that rain will mostly go away by Wednesday with still clouds persisting throughout the day into Wednesday and Thursday. And for tomorrow morning, you can expect temperatures around 58 in the morning here in New Brunswick, 60 here in Camden, 62 down by the shore. Again, mostly cloudy conditions with the winds in the east-northeast at 3 miles per hour. Stepping out for the 7-day forecast, again, you can see mostly cloudy conditions for the next week or so. Wednesday, a high of 72 and a low of 58. On Thursday, a high of 77, so a little warmer on Thursday and Friday. High of 78 on Friday and high of 70 on Saturday. By Sunday, you can expect a slight chance of showers, about 30%, but that'll move out and have mostly cloudy conditions for Monday and Tuesday, high of 75 and high of 76 respectively. Our lows will again stay relatively stable with a high 50s, low 60s. As always, you can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/RUWeatherWatcher, on Instagram at RUWeatherWatcher, on Twitter at RutgersWW, or use that hashtag RUWeather, and you can also find us on YouTube at Rutgers Weather Watcher. I'm Weather Watcher Aidan Deeck. Have a great evening, Rutgers.